Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to rearrange app and widget icons on the Samsung Galaxy A3. To rearrange app icons, simply tap and hold onto them and then drag them around. By dragging them to the edge of the screen, you can take them to the neighboring screen. Same can be done with widgets. For some of them you may be able to resize them. To add any new widgets, simply tap and hold the screen, then the widgets icon. After that, you can choose any widget you want, then tap and hold them to take them to the screen. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.